2021, as the world watched with bated breath, El Salvador made a gamble that would forever alter its economic landscape.
Bitcoin ha ayudado mucho a este pueblo.
Big Bitcoin gamble paying off.
Bitcoin as legal tender raises a number.
Adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, it placed a bet on a digital future, a decision that seemed audacious at the time. Fast forward to 2024, with Bitcoin soaring to an unprecedented $60,000, this small nation's daring move prompts us to reconsider the very essence of money in the digital age. What happens when a nation dares to dream beyond the dollar? El Salvador's journey offers a glimpse into a future where digital currency becomes a cornerstone of economic inclusion and growth. El Salvador's foray into the world of cryptocurrency was more than just an adoption. It was a bold wager on the future of finance and economic strategy. President Nayib Bukele, facing a nation where a significant portion of the population lacked access to traditional banking services, saw Bitcoin not just as a currency, but as a tool for social and economic reform. By embracing Bitcoin, when its future was still a subject of intense debate, El Salvador positioned itself as a laboratory for the world, testing the feasibility of a digital currency within a sovereign economy. The rise of Bitcoin to $60,000 in 2024 vindicates this gamble to some extent, illustrating the potential for substantial financial gains. Yet this act of faith also brought to the forefront the volatility inherent in cryptocurrencies, making El Salvador's economy a subject of global scrutiny. This bold step has initiated a ripple effect, prompting discussions on the adoption of digital currencies by other nations and the potential reshaping of global finance. Beyond the immediate financial implications, El Salvador's adoption of Bitcoin was underpinned by transformative goals. By slashing the high fees associated with remittances, which constitute a vital artery of the nation's economy, the move promised more money in the pockets of families dependent on funds sent from abroad. Furthermore, the government aimed to foster a more inclusive financial ecosystem, bringing banking services to the over 70% of Salvadorans who lacked traditional banking access. This vision extended to attracting foreign investment, with El Salvador positioning itself as a pioneer in the crypto space, hoping to become a hub for blockchain technology and innovation. The government's initiatives, such as offering tax incentives for crypto businesses and planning to build a Bitcoin city powered by geothermal energy, reflect a comprehensive approach to leveraging Bitcoin for national development. The implementation phase unveiled the enormity of the challenge. The adoption of Bitcoin introduced a steep learning curve for both the government and the populace. Issues ranged from technical glitches with the Chivo wallet to broader concerns about Bitcoin's environmental impact, given its energy-intensive mining process. Moreover, the volatility of Bitcoin, while a potential source of gain, also posed a significant risk to Salvadoran savings and the national economy. The government's efforts to mitigate these risks, such as the establishment of a $150 million fund to ensure the convertibility of Bitcoin to USD, underscore the complex balancing act required to integrate cryptocurrency into a national economy sustainably. Public sentiment has been mixed, with enthusiasm among tech-savvy and financially literate segments contrasted by skepticism and resistance among others, highlighting the need for widespread education on digital finance. El Salvador's Bitcoin initiative has not only captivated global financial observers but also drawn particular interest from the US and Asian markets. The United States, home to a significant Salvadoran diaspora, plays a crucial role in El Salvador's economy through remittances. The adoption of Bitcoin has sparked discussions among policymakers and financial technology companies in the US, examining how digital currencies could reshape remittance flows, offering faster transactions and lower fees. This perspective is crucial given that remittances are a lifeline for many Salvadoran families. Furthermore, the US's regulatory stance on cryptocurrencies could influence El Salvador's financial dealings, especially considering the dollar's status as the country's other legal tender. In contrast, Asian markets, notably cryptocurrency-friendly countries like South Korea and Japan, as well as emerging fintech hubs such as Singapore, have observed El Salvador's experiment with keen interest. Asia's dynamic tech landscape and rapid adoption of digital payments provide a rich context for examining how a nation's formal embrace of Bitcoin might influence regional cryptocurrency policies and innovations. For instance, El Salvador's move could inspire similar initiatives in Asian countries looking to enhance financial inclusion or attract digital nomads and crypto entrepreneurs. Moreover, China's stance on cryptocurrencies and its development of a digital yuan put El Salvador's Bitcoin adoption in sharp relief against broader efforts to digitize national currencies. The contrasting approaches between El Salvador's decentralized cryptocurrency strategy and China's state-controlled digital currency initiative highlight diverse pathways toward the digitization of finance, each with distinct implications for global economic structures. As Bitcoin reached the $60,000 mark in 2024, the world looked on to gauge the outcomes of El Salvador's ambitious project. The country's economy has shown signs of both the opportunities and challenges presented by widespread cryptocurrency adoption. On one hand, the increase in Bitcoin's value has demonstrated the potential for significant financial gains, attracting international attention and potentially fostering a new era of economic growth. On the other, the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies continues to pose risks, necessitating robust regulatory frameworks and financial safety nets. The long-term success of El Salvador's gamble on Bitcoin will depend on the government's ability to navigate these complexities, adapt to the evolving digital landscape, and foster an environment where technology serves as a bridge to economic inclusivity and prosperity. This unfolding story remains a pivotal chapter in the global dialogue on the future of money, finance, and national sovereignty in the digital age.